This graph represents the distance Francesca has ridden her bike. Describe what happens in the graph. So this graph is pretty bare bones. It doesn't really give us any numbers at all. Along the x-axis, we can see that we've got time. And so what we know is as we follow the graph from left to right, time starts at 0, and as we move across the graph, time is increasing. So time is going up as we move from left to right. And then on the y-axis, we've got distance, and the same thing's going to happen with distance. We start at 0, and as we move up the graph, distance is increasing. Okay, so she's riding her bike, and she starts at a distance and time of 0, and then we don't know how long she's riding or how far she rides. All we know is that the time is increasing and the distance is increasing as we move to the right and up on the graph. So this first part, this section right here, it looks like the time is increasing and the distance is increasing. We're moving right on the graph and the line is going up. So we could say she rides her bike for a while. We can't really be more specific than that because since the graph does not have any numbers on it, I don't know how long she rode or how far she went. But then what happens next? What is happening right here? Right there, the time is still increasing. We're still moving along the graph from left to right, but we are not moving up. The distance is not increasing, it's completely flattened out. So if time is still going forward, but the distance is not changing, what does that mean? It means she stops. How long does she stop? I have no idea. So we'll say that she stops for a while. Because I don't have the numbers, again, I can't say how long she stops. I don't know why she stopped. I just know she did. She stops for a while. Then what happens? She rides some more. Then she rides some more. That's all I can tell from this graph without any more details. I know that she rode for a little while, then she stopped. That's what that flat part means. And then she started riding again.